folks are struggling, they found themselves, in trouble, they don't have their license, they need it back, obviously, to go back to work or whatever, but.
I would say the #1 barrier people have to making progress in our community, a lot of them, is not having proper identification, either through a driver's license or maybe a non-driver's license. And they think because they have warrants with us, they can't go and get it. Well, let me tell you this, you can walk in Birmingham Municipal Court any day. If you have a warrant, we will not arrest you. We want you to come down and take care of that issue. So please come down, but you're at greater risk if you don't come down to us. If the police stop you, then of course they're gonna have to follow through on the warrant. But if you do not have a driver's license, we have a program that we started called the Renew Program. So Driver's License Recovery Center. We have case managers, we have lawyers that will help you deal with the cases you have outstanding, walk you through the process, create a budget for you to pay off the fines, and get your driver's license back.
So let's talk about that, because there's a snowball effect that can happen if you just ignore the problems, right?
Absolutely, it's crazy because first of all, let me tell you, driving while your license is suspended is one of our more expensive tickets. It's probably a $350 to a $500 fine, plus court costs. So we're approaching $600 or $700 just on the fines and fees.
And then you'd end up, you get a failure to appear because you don't show at court, and they pop you for that, and that's another what, how much?
Well, when you get those other cases, you're stacking charges on top of charges, and it almost seems insurmountable, which is why we created the Renew program. And I guarantee you, we see people getting driver's licenses every day. So come down, and we'll get you locked in. The city of Birmingham has agreed to help fund that program. That's how serious we are about people getting their driver's licenses.
Well, and you want people to go back to work, right?
We do. We want them to be able to drive around legally.
Yeah.
Drive around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a great program.